Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use crankshaft. Today this is a crankshaft part is drawing and all dimension you can see here, and this is a final product of this is a final product of 4-stroke piston. This is a crankshaft final product of crankshaft, and this is a final product of 4-stroke piston. And 4-stroke piston is all parts you can see here drawing, and one by one is parts is drawing, and second part is today is drawing. Today is a second part is a crankshaft. Okay, this is a basic geometry and this is a parts geometry. You can see here, this is a front view, this is a side view, and this is a top view, and this is a main basic structure geometry. Okay, at first open a Solidworks software and one by one you drawing crankshaft drawing you can see here. Okay, this is our Solidworks interface, and this is a part drawing. Oh, okay. Okay, at first select a plane is a front plane. Okay, and sketch is drawing. Okay, this center point and this distance is 44, and this arc is radius is 80, and angle is 33, and this diameter is 72. Okay, at first some center line is drawing, and this is the very help drawing a crankshaft. Okay, this line is a vertical line and this line is a horizontal line. Okay, at first select a circle is drawing here, and dimension is a 72 diameter. Okay, and select OK, and this is a connect. Okay, this is a center point arc. This point is a connect. This point is a okay. At first this point and this center point is a this point is a okay, this point is center point arc, and this center point connect, and this point is a this. Okay, and this point and control, this point is a horizontal. This is very important. Okay, and connect this point, and this is a tangent line. Okay, this point and this point is a tangent. Okay, and this mirror. Okay, and mention dimension is 80, radius. Okay, this is 80, and this point and this point is a 33. Okay, this is a okay. Okay, and this point and this center point is 44. Okay, this is a perfect basic of crankshaft. All dimension is correct. Okay, and okay, extrude boss. This point and this point is a this blind, and this is a 15. Okay, this is a plain white, and this opposite face select here sketch normal, and this is a okay, this point is a this 15 point this is a 15, okay, and this diameter is 54 and length is 46, and this diameter is 72 and length is 38, okay. 54, this is a diameter is this point, okay, diameter is 54, okay, and length is a 46, okay, 46, okay, okay, and this face again sketch normal, okay, and circle drawing a center point, and this is a 72, okay, 72, okay, 72, and extrude boss is a 38, okay, 38, okay, okay, this part is ready, and this is a reference geometry, and this plane and this face is a, okay, okay, and this is a mirror, this face and this face is a mirror, okay, okay, this is a hide, and again this is again select a reference geometry and again a mirror, but okay, okay, but this is a body of mirror, whole body is, but one important points, merge solid is not click here, this is a click here, but this part is rotate, you see this is not click, okay, this is important point, okay, this is a hide, okay, and this is a rotate, this part is rotate, okay, again insert feature and move, okay, this body select here, and this is a rotate parts is 180 degree rotate, okay, okay, and again reference geometry is select here, and this click, and this is a midpoint, and this is a two bodies, this body and this body is, okay, okay, this is a hide, okay, and okay, this is a sketch normal, okay, and select a circle is a, okay, this point is drawing is circle is diameter is 35 and this length is 90, okay, okay, this is a diameter is 35 and length is 90, extrude boss, length is 90, okay, okay, and again this plane is this face, select a sketch normal, and okay, this is important point, this face is 160, 148 and 115 diameter is, and this small circle is 12 diameter, okay, this is a three circle is drawing here, first, second, okay, and third, okay, 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 this point is a, okay, first is 160 diameter, 160 diameter, and second is 140 diameter, and third is a 115 diameter, okay, this is a construction geometry, and select a radius, a small circle is dimension is 12, okay, 12, okay, and 12, and this is a pattern is a circular pattern, and this small circle pattern is 10, okay, 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 and select extrude boss. This is a hole is complete here, okay, but this is a point is 15, okay, this is a correct, but one point is a 2, drawing a vehicle is 2, but second point is drawing this point is circle is thickness is 22, and this point and this point and this is a distance between 50. The 50 minus 22 is 28, okay. This face sketch normal, okay, and circle is drawing. This circle is a dimension is 56, okay, dimension is 56, okay, and okay, extrude is 28, okay, okay, select, okay, and this face sketch normal, okay, and sketch 3 circle is drawing here, first, second, and third, same to same. First is 160, second is 148, and third is a 115, okay, okay. This is a construction geometry, and select a circle is a this point is a, okay, and dimension is a 12 is all 12, okay, and this is a pattern is circular pattern, and this is a pattern is 10, select, okay, and this extrude boss, this place this, okay, and thickness is 22, okay, this, okay, okay, and again this face thickness is 30, diameter is 30, and length is 15, okay, sketch normal, okay, and a small circle is draw here, okay, and diameter is 30, okay, and extrude boss is 15, okay, you can see here 15, okay, okay, and all point is separate bodies but combine this body feature, this combine first body, second body, third body, fourth, okay, combine, this is a combined body, and some fillet is used, fillet is a 4, radius is 4, and all dimension you can see here is drawing, fillet is a 4, this point and 4, okay, and this point again, and select this and this is a all concave is 20 is select here, okay, and the last point is a draw here also, and select, okay, okay, and this is a color is a, okay, this is a color is a, okay, color is a all body. Okay, okay, perfect. This is a perfect. Okay guys, thank you guys. Next part third is drawing again. Okay guys, thank you.